Oh yeah, that new filament smell. Oh yeah, I got a 3D printer. This is my 3D printer. It likes to poop a lot. I have gold, gray, black, and some white filament that I haven't gotten out yet because I'm too lazy. And I'm going to be printing a phone stand, like kind of like a mech phone stand thing. So that'll be pretty cool. No, I'm not going to show you the time lapse because I don't know how that works. So heating up the nozzle and stuff. Yeah, that's cool and all. Now I'll check back when this is done.